I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
That's a hairstyle. Yo!
Yes, yeah.
What name?
Who's the Wendy?
Man got trim me, man got trim me look a dirty thinking in there, man. Me rooted with that, man. Me rooted. Man favor Popeye the sailor man, man. Come like when fall shit pan roast and the drop a gun and each up and piece of thick or piece of board. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Whew. Well, my people, big up on yourself. Start off with that little thing there. You know what I go on now? There you know, man. I tell you now, you know, say some people in the yard, they're wicked in Jamaica. Some people are terrible and wicked and cruel. I know me I going to talk about some wicked people in Jamaica now, when I'm viewers and subscribers. I tell you about some terrible-minded and evilous people, you know. Because you see right now, people, in our community, in a Senton, right? So we have a female cousin down there. And I see my female cousin post up a thing, people, on her Facebook. Because she have a little daughter. Yeah, she have a little daughter. He's a roaster. She have a little daughter, people. And when she posts up, say me feel sad right now. Shouldn't even know, people. It's my little cousin, you know. She have a goat. She get a goat for her birthday. Tell her my cousin, my little cousin maybe in a grade 1, grade 2. She get a goat for her birthday, people. A little goat. Nice little she goat. Somebody gave her as a birthday gift. And if you tell her say the goat in the yard close to the doorway, and you know she cousin have a goat as a little pet, people. Little girl, little pet. And also the little dirty thinking thief in boy then can thief. The one little goat where the little picnic get. The one little goat where the little girl get then thief the goat. The little serpent then take it. You understand? The little serpent then will take my little cousin goat. Down in a Senton. One is a thief and wicked. Serious thing. But one goat I go do to one and one little she goat. You know I go do. The goat, me tell you say goat not ready if you even have baby yet, you know, people. A little goat, you know. Young goat, you know, she goat, you know, see goat picture. And the boy them thief the goat. Take the goat. To tell your people wicked and cruel. A little girl now, people, you know that little goat could have do for her? That one little goat could have given maybe 100 goat, you know. Just to tell you. And that this are the world. Let's tell you, see a man thief a one goat from you. Be careful of him. And we kill you too. Heartless. That tell us, yo, me not have sympathy to the people nowadays, you know. No look boy, no look, me not have sympathy to them, you know, people. Because they're wicked and the same thing them there, you know. Imagine if them thief a look she goat. What else they would thief from you? Them know see the little girl goat because them see the little girl around her goat. Them see the little girl that carry out her goat. And I can better say somebody who fish around the yard there take that goat too. Because I know dog, because I've been there dog in that yard. As somebody who fish around. Somebody who know the dog, who know the yard. And one thing me want to say to my cousin, you know, be careful of the niggas them who make a come in the yard. Careful of them. Them dirty thief there. Because you see, if I was in Jamaica, people, me drive go right up there. And me go find that. Straight up. Because you see, all of who a fish around the yard, who no involved, all family me I investigate one to, you know. You get me? And when me start chant and talk, you know, and me send go a town for L.A. Lewis and bring him come down there with the man, the man go in a graveyard with the, you know. No joke thing, you know. Me say me send go for L.A. Lewis, man. You know what I mean? Right now, it come like me need L.A. Lewis right now for link him up or something, man. If you can get back, if me feel the people, my little cousin love the goat so much, you know, pretty little she goat, you know. Me say right now I be a cry, the little pitney a cry. Me say a little goat. And the little dirty thinking thief in boy then go with the goat. When I go make goat soup with that goat kid, goat pitney, and a bush in there now, through then say quarantine in a bush I live, The little dirty thinking nastiness, you know. See attack when you link a go uno. You see attack. Boy, me attack them ever too good and gracious for no or precious NEWLINK. Think a joking thing, this or laughing thing. Eh? Take me look a cousin go up, boy. So you don't even know what to do. You know, stir up the link, you know. So you don't even know. Viewers and subscribers, enough love, you know. Enough respect. I'm telling people, be careful out there. Be careful out there and not trust nobody. Nobody. Peace and love and respect and protect on yourself. Every country one of them. Zine, na Bahamas, Barbados. Big up on yourself. St. Kitts, St. Vincent, the whole Jamaica, Turks and Caicos, Guyana, Trinidad, our place, St. Martin. Zine, big up on yourself, man. Belize, the whole works, Montserrat. All of US Virgin Islands, them British Virgin Islands, them Antigua. Don't know our place. Peace and love and respect, man. Big up, out.